I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oat pancakes. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients. We'll start by transforming rolled oats into a fine flour, which is key for a smooth texture. Then, we'll mix the wet and dry components separately before gently combining them. Finally, I'll guide you through cooking them to golden perfection. To begin, measure out 1 cup of rolled oats. You'll also need 0.5 cup of your preferred milk, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder for fluffiness. Place the oats into a blender and process until they achieve a fine, flour-like consistency. This step is crucial for a smooth batter. Now in one bowl, whisk together your milk, egg, and sweetener. In another, combine the oat flour and baking powder. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring just until everything is combined. Overmixing can make pancakes tough. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 0.25 cup of batter per pancake. Cook each pancake for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when small bubbles start to form on the surface and the edges look set. Once golden brown on both sides, transfer them to a plate. Serve your delicious oat pancakes warm with fresh fruit, syrup, or a dollop of yogurt. Enjoy your healthy and satisfying breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.